All right, so not the best day for Palantir stock today, guys, and the entire stock market for that matter. I mean, look, Palantir went down almost 5% on the day, and we had the S&P down 1.4%, QQQ down 1.8, the Russell went down 1.6, and the Dow went down 1.3%. So we're going to break down Palantir, the charts, some news that we just got today, and overall what I'm doing. But first, guys, smash that like button, make sure to subscribe, and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 stocks, deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, I'm telling you, it's a no-brainer, and the clock's ticking. Use that link down below or go to stocks.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, let's dive into it. So again, we did not have a great day for stocks today. All the indexes went down over 1%, and surprisingly, the VIX only went up, 2%, not even, and Palantir sold off pretty much all day, down 4.8%, over $4 in the red, and honestly, a lot of that red came in the morning. You guys can see here, we dropped from $83 at open to about $78.50, which I think, yeah, that's the low of the day. We dropped 5% in the first, hour, actually less than that, first 30 minutes of trading. We got demolished there, right? And as we pull the layers back a little bit here, guys, we got rejected at both moving averages today, and we're under them on the 1 hour time frame, which we kind of have a descending triangle on this time frame. Although we also have a bullish divergence. Do you guys see the RSI strengthening as Palantir has been downtrending and as we have a descending triangle? So there's a lot going on these charts. There's a lot going on. On top of that, you could also argue we have an inverse head and shoulders here. Do you guys see this? We have the left shoulder. We got the head right here, boom. Got the right shoulder right here, pretty clear as day. So this could go either way. We got the bullish divergence, the inverse head and shoulders, which is bullish. But then again, on the flip side, we have a descending triangle, which is bearish, and we're under the moving averages with a death cross still in place, which is also bearish. So at this point, man, I feel like it all comes down to the indexes like it does for a lot of these stocks. I think in general, the indexes, when they bounce back, I think Palantir is going to roar back as well. But until then, I think we're going to be stuck in this $75 to $85 window. We covered before how $85 is a big resistance in the short term. We hit that yesterday. We failed. Looks like in the pre-market today we hit it and we failed. So if 85 is able to break eventually, like I've covered here on the channel in the recent days, I'm thinking we go to 90, $92. Maybe we go higher than that, right? But in the meantime, it could go either way. It really could go either way on these charts. And I want to show you guys quickly here some news that we just got. Palantir added 6 clients for warp speed manufacturing tool. Let's break down this article very quickly here, guys. And as I'm pulling this up, feel free to join my free email list. I send out my top stocks weekly. That is linked right down below. So Palantir, which, by the way, has a market cap now of $186 billion. We can see here has secured 6 new companies as clients for its warp speed software aimed at enhancing onshore manufacturing, maintenance optimization, and advanced fleet management. According to Investing Pro, the company maintains exceptional gross profit margins of 80%, and the new clients include Epirus, Red Cat, Sail Drone, Saronic probably. My pronunciation sucks, guys. I apologize for that. and Ursa Major along with SNC. And they're deploying the platform to accelerate production and engineering innovation across various sectors, including national security and maritime operations. And for those that don't know, Warp Speed is designed to bridge the gap between engineering and supply chain processes, enabling clients to integrate engineering changes rapidly and manage material resources more effectively. The tool also provides capabilities for running AI on edge devices and adhering to security regulations for defense contractors. So this breaks down now the different clients. We can see here, well, some of the new clients they got. For example, oops, this is screwing up on me now. What's going on, guys? Come on. Epirus will utilize Warp Speed for scaling the production of its Leonidas platform, which offers counter electronics capabilities. Red Cap is set to enhance its manufacturing of defense-focused drone technologies, while Sail Drone will apply the software to improve its production planning for unmanned surface vehicles, USVs in other words, and Saranic, focusing on autonomous surface vessels, aims to expedite its operations, particularly in material resource planning and engineering change management. SNC will leverage Warp Speed for program management execution, enhancing collaboration and coordination across various departments. And last but not least here, guys, Ursa Major plans to extend its production agility into the digital realm, ramping up the output of its propulsion systems without compromising safety and innovation. Additionally, Palantir's Titan program, which integrates data from various sensors and technologies, uses Warp Speed to manage system delivery and integration. So we got that news today. And another recent news, Palantir announced other several significant developments. The company is set to host its AIPCon event, obviously, featuring new and existing customers, blah, blah, blah. We already know that. And yeah, I mean, that's big stuff here, guys. Palantir keeps on making big moves. Again, adding 6 clients for Warp Speed manufacturing the tool, right? Which I'm excited about, but obviously it wasn't enough here to move the stock today. Of course, considering, we kind of got this insight. We covered this a bit yesterday, but again, the stock market itself sold off in general, so it was going to be hard for the stock to really pop today. But I'm telling you, man, keep your eyes peeled on the charts. Whether we get this bullish divergence to play out, inverse head and shoulders to play out, or whether we get this descending triangle to play out, which could lead us to seeing more downside. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe and snag up your 30 stocks from Moomoo while the deal lasts. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1%. Guys, it's a no-brainer. The clock's ticking. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfast.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.